हेलो बच्चों, टुडे we'll do exercise 6.3 question number 7. The students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all, that is 2401, okay, for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Okay, so it is given to you that each student has donated the money as the number of students in a class. ठीक है, मीन्स क्लास में जितने बच्चे थे हर बच्चे ने उतने ही रुपीस डोनेट किया. Okay, so we have considered here that let the number of students in the class is x. Okay, so if number of students was x in a class, so the money donated by each student is rupees x. Okay, because this hint was given to you in question कि हर बच्चे ने कितना दिया जितने क्लास में बच्चे थे. Okay, so the total money donated by them is x multiply x, number of students multiply by number of amount they have donated. So x multiply by x. Okay, and students, in question it is given to you that total money donated by them is rupees 2401. Okay, so now we can write here x multiplied by x is equals to 2401. Okay, so x multiplied by x will become what? X square. Okay, so now when you solve this, ठीक है, जब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये स्क्वायर जो है जब ये उस साइड जाएगा, ओके, व्हेन यू विल ट्रांसपोज दिस, सो दिस विल बिकम अंडर रूट. क्या बन जाएगा? अंडर रूट. ओके, now we'll find square root of 24 and 101 using prime factorization method. Okay, so 2401 by 7. Okay, सबसे पहले किससे? 7 से जाएगा. ओके, सो बाय 7. ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 7 3 ज़ा 21. सो 24 minus 21 is remaining is 3. So now this will become 30. Okay, 7 4 ज़ा 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. So now here this is 2. Now 7 3 ज़ा 21. Okay, then again by 7. ठीक है, so 7 4 ज़ा 28. Okay, and then 7 9 ज़ा, okay, 63. Then again by 7, 7 7 ज़ा 49, and then 7 1 ज़ा 7. Okay, so now we got factors of 2401. Okay, so we have written here. Now we'll make pairs. Okay, so we have make here pair. So this is first pair and this one is second pair. So from one pair one number we can take out, from here also one number we can take out. Now 7 7 is 49. So therefore number of students in question, they had asked the total number of students in class we have to find. So therefore number of students in class is 49. ठीक है, अगर उन्होंने मनी डोनेट पूछा होता तो भी वो क्या हो जाता? 49 हो जाता, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट वॉज एक्स एंड द मनी डोनेटेड बाय ईच स्टूडेंट वॉज ऑल्सो एक्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज आवर solution of question number 7. Okay, now we'll see question number 8. Okay, 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Find the number of rows and number of plants in each row. Okay, so students, now see the solution. Okay, let again same thing, similar type of question is this. previous we have done. Again same thing, total number of rows and total number of plants are same here also. So we have considered the total number of rows in a garden is x. So the number of plants will be also x in each row. Okay, this is in each row. So the total number of plants in a garden is x multiplied by x. This is x square. Okay, and now it is given to you in question that total number of plants kitne hain? 2025. Okay, so x square is equals to 2025. Now again when this square will when we transpose this will become under root. So x is equals to under root 2025. Now we'll find its square root using prime factorization method. Okay, so by prime factorization method 5 4s are 20. Okay, now देखिए अब 2 से ये नहीं जाएगा. Now here we are taking 2 digits together, so we have to write here 0. Okay, now 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Now by 3, ठीक है, 3 2s are 6, 2 is remaining, 3 7s are 21. Again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so here we got factors. ठीक है, so now we'll make pair. ठीक है, 5 का एक पेयर हो गया, यहाँ पे 3 का एक पेयर, यहाँ पे अगेन 3 का एक पेयर. सो फ्रॉम ईच पेयर वी कैन राइट वन नंबर. 5 यहाँ से आ गया, 3 यहाँ से एंड 3 फ्रॉम हियर. नाउ 5 3 3s are 9, 5 9s are 45. So total number of rows is 45 and total number of plants is also 45. Okay, so this was the solution of question number 8. Okay, now we'll see question number 9. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. ठीक है, मीन्स हमको स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर फाइंड करना है जो कि क्या हो 4, 9 एंड 10 से डिविजिबल हो. ठीक है, सो स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट वील फाइंड आउट एलसीएम. हम एक कॉमन नंबर फाइंड करेंगे जो क्या हो तीनों जिससे जो तीनों से डिविजिबल हो. ठीक है, सो वील फाइंड आउट एलसीएम ऑफ 4, 9 एंड 10. ओके, सो हियर from the least number we always start. So 2 2s are 4, 9 we'll write as it is because 2 के टेबल में 9 तो नहीं आता है. Then 2 5s are 10. Okay, then again you can see देखो यहाँ पे 2 से अभी भी divisible है. So 2 1s are 2, 2 के टेबल में 9 भी नहीं आता, so we'll write as it is. 5 भी नहीं आता है तो 5 भी as it is. Now from 3 2 this will remain as it is. 3 3s are 9 and 5, 3 के टेबल में 5 नहीं आता, so 5 we'll write as it is. Now again 1 is as it is, 3 1s are 3, 5 is as it is. Now from 5. Okay, so we got 1 1 1. ठीक है, so here now we got numbers. अब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 and 5 as it is. Now 4 5s are 20 और multiply by 9, 29s are 180. ठीक है, but you can see that in question they had asked smallest perfect square number. तो आपको कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है या नहीं? सो यू कैन सी इट्स फैक्टर. देखिए ये कंप्लीट है, यस दिस इज ऑल्सो कंप्लीट, बट दिस 5 इज इनकम्प्लीट है ना. 5 इज इनकम्प्लीट, तो हम क्या करें, इसमें 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. ठीक है, so when we'll multiply by 5, so this will become a perfect square number. So 180 multiply by 5 to make it a perfect square. Okay, so when we have multiplied we got here 900. So now we can say that 900 is the smallest perfect square number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Okay, so this was the solution of question number 9 students. Okay, now you can see question number 10. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Students, this is similar to question number 9. Okay. First of all, again we'll find out LCM. Okay, LCM of 8, 15 and 20. Okay, so we got these numbers. So after multiplying this is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 3 5s are 15. Now 15 8s are 120. So okay, so we got this number, but now we have to check that whether this is a perfect square or not. So we'll find out its we'll see its factor. Okay, so this is in pair, but you can see इसका पेयर नहीं है, इसका भी पेयर नहीं है और इसका भी पेयर नहीं है. ठीक है, तो हमको कौन से नंबर से 120 को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? बाय 2, by 3, by 5 to make it a perfect square. So 120 multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 5. Okay, so when we multiplied this, we got here 3600. So 36 is the smallest perfect square number which is divisible by 8, 15 and 20. Okay, so students, this is the last question of this exercise. Now next question we'll see in our next video. Okay.